Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the audio input in Audacity. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Audacity app on your PC. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to click on Edit, which will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Preferences. This will open a new window where you can customize various settings for Audacity, including your audio input configuration. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Recording section. This is where all your recording-related settings are housed, giving you control over how Audacity captures audio from your system. Right below the recording label, you'll see an option called Device. Next to Device, there's a drop-down menu that displays your current audio input. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal all the available input options on your computer. From the list that appears, select the microphone or speaker input device you want to use. This could be your built-in microphone, an external USB mic, or any other audio input device connected to your PC. Choosing the right device here ensures that Audacity will capture sound from the correct source when you start recording. Once you've selected your preferred audio input device, click OK at the bottom of the Preferences window to save your changes. This confirms your new settings and closes the Preferences menu, taking you back to the main Audacity interface. Now that you've configured your audio input, it's a good idea to test it and make sure everything is working properly. Start recording to verify that Audacity is capturing audio from your newly selected input device. This quick test helps you confirm that the sound is coming through clearly and that you've chosen the correct device for your recording needs. And that's it. You've successfully changed the audio input in Audacity and can now record with your preferred microphone or input device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.